this video, we will evaluate the integral of dx over sine x minus a times cos x minus b. Whenever you are given with an integral of the type 1 over sine times cos, we will try to write the numerator by using the sum and difference formulae of cosine. So in this case, I can write the given integral as cos a minus b over cos a minus b times sine x minus a times cos x minus b dx. Now, next step is to write this numerator cos a minus b in the form of x minus a and x minus b. So we'll try to write a minus b in the form of x minus a and x minus b. In order to do that, we can write the given integral as 1 over cos a minus b, and the numerator can be written as cos x minus b minus x minus a divided by sine x minus a times cos x minus b dx. Now, if we use the difference formula for cosine in the numerator, we will get integral of cos x minus b times cos x minus a plus sine x minus b times sine x minus a divided by the denominator, which is sine x minus a times cos x minus b dx. To solve further, we can use the properties of fractions. So right now, the integral is in the form of a plus b over c. So it can be written as a over c plus b over c. So the given integral becomes 1 over cos a minus b and integral of cos x minus a times cos x minus b over sine x minus a times cos x minus b plus sine x minus a times sine x minus b over sine x minus a times cos x minus b dx. So if we can cancel out cos x minus b here and sine x minus a here, so we are left with 1 over cos a minus b integral of cos x minus a over sine x minus a dx plus integral of sine x minus b over cos x minus b dx. So after this, we can use a formula that if you have integral of derivative divided by the function, then it can be written as log of modulus of the function plus c. So using this, the first function here is sine x minus a and its derivative is cos x minus a. In the second term, cos x minus b is the function and its derivative is minus sine x minus b. That means we can write this as minus because minus times minus is plus. That being said, the given integral will become 1 over cos a minus b times log sine x minus a minus log cos x minus b plus c. We also know that log a minus log b can be written as log a over b. So therefore, this expression will change to log modulus sine x minus a over cos x minus b plus c. I hope this video is helpful. If you have any questions, please comment below. And please subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you.